Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. Okay, but before we do that, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to my channel right now. And if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the apps that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's start with the next 1200. So this is Ganex 1200. We are on 15 minutes time frame. This actually started an uptrend right from here, even though there are major pullbacks in between, but it is still an uptrend. Just the way we are saying it, it has gotten to a new resistance zone. If it breaks out from there, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will switch back into a downtrend. But for now, it is still buying. So the next asset is going to be next 999. Let's check it out together. So this is again next 999, and just where we are seeing it, this has been on downtrend for a very long time. It started from here and we milked it till it got to this region, but later on broke out below the support zone to give us more selling opportunity. It has gotten to a new support zone, but not been able to break out from there. Try to buy a bit, however, this is still on a very strong downtrend. So in case it breaks out below the support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, but if it does not, then I may likely experience some buying opportunity right from there. So I'm expecting this to still sell. Okay. The next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Okay, Paynex 1200. I actually analyzed this particular asset earlier today, and of course, this actually went on uptrend and got to this region, was unable to break out from there. So it switched into a downtrend and, of course, activated our entry point, and it has achieved the first TP. So we hope that it will achieve the rest. Okay, we still have three more TPs to go. In short, four more TPs to go. Okay, so this is still very much on downtrend, so it is still selling. So we should take advantage of that. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Paynex 999 had been on uptrend right from here, but got to this resistance and was unable to break out from here. And I analyzed this particular asset earlier today. It sold for a while and played around there for a while, had a pullback, which was what I was expecting. And of course, after the pullback, it is giving us a downtrend signal right now. And of course, a sell signal, although I am putting my entry point at this spot and the stop loss have been adjusted to this spot. And of course, we have our TPs highlighted for us. So this is going to be more selling than buying. So the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on uptrend, got to this region, was unable to break out from the had this major pullback and went back up again, still unable to break out from there. Okay. However, if it breaks out above the resistance zone, we expect it to buy more. If it does not, then it should go back on downtrend and sell. Okay, but for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos very well, practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly subscribe to the channel right now. Thank you and God bless you.